Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics, and in this video we are going to learn how to log into Bon Secours Workday account. First of all, open up any browser. I am using Google Chrome here. Now at the search bar, type in Bon Secours Workday. Now click on enter. After that, find this link which is of careersmyworkdaysite.com. Click on that. After that, you will be redirected to another tab. Now at the top right corner you can see an sign in option. Click on that and now type in your email address and password. After that, click on sign in to log into your Bon Secours Workday account. You can also click on this link if you do not have your account to create an account, or you can click on forget password link to reset your password of Bon Secours account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this video helpful. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.